What if I told you one of the most iconic and revolutionary cars in American automotive history is making a comeback? That's right, Ford just announced the return of the one, the only, Ranchero for 2024, and this time, it's packing a serious punch of retro cool and modern tech that's going to blow your mind. And get this, Ford is aiming to price this retro-futuristic beast at around $10,000 to start, making it one of the most affordable and versatile rides on the road. That's a value proposition that could shake up the entire truck and crossover market. After over 40 years off the market, the Ranchero is roaring back onto the scene with a modern twist. We're talking unibody construction, turbo power, hybrid options, cutting-edge tech, and of course, that unmistakable sloping rear roofline and truck bed that made the original an icon. Before we get started on today's video, I want to take a moment to ask for your support. Subscribing to my channel and ringing that notification bell is absolutely helped me to grow and keep putting out more amazing content for all of you. Your subscriptions and likes are what allow me to do this full time and keep improving with every upload. So if you're enjoying what you see so far, smash that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and smash that like button too. And don't forget to drop a comment below to let me know what you thought of this one. Alright, now let's get into the video. Let's rewind to 1957 when Ford first unleashed the Ranchero onto an unsuspecting world. It was a total game changer, a revolutionary ride that blended the swagger of a sedan with the rugged muscle of a pickup. With its sleek, sporty lines and that iconic sloping rear roofline, the Ranchero was like nothing else on the blacktop. It had the comfort and style of a car, but with a massive pickup bed for all your hauling needs. It was the best of both worlds, a true American original that captured the hearts of ranchers, weekend warriors, and urban cowboys alike. But like all good things, the Ranchero's reign couldn't last forever. By the late 70s, dwindling sales and fierce competition from other players saw Ford pull the plug on their beloved car-truck hybrid in 1979. It was a sad day for Ranchero fans, but the dream never died. Fast forward to today, and that dream is about to become a reality once again. You see, in recent years, there's been a major resurgence of interest in classic, retro rides. Car buffs and collectors can't get enough of those iconic designs and unmistakable vibes from yesteryear. And Ford, being the savvy bunch they are, saw an opportunity to cash in on the nostalgia craze by resurrecting one of their most legendary creations. But here's the kicker, Ford isn't just slapping a fresh coat of paint on the old Ranchero and calling it a day. The new Ranchero is set to be a masterful blend of vintage cool and cutting-edge tech. According to the whispers filtering out of Dearborn, the Ranchero will be built on the Ford Focus platform, rocking a sleek unibody design instead of the old body-on-frame setup. But don't worry, they're keeping those iconic Ranchero vibes alive with the sloping rear roofline and that unmistakable pickup bed. Under the hood, we're expecting a range of engine options to keep things interesting. Rumor has it there'll be a turbocharged four-cylinder for those seeking a little extra oomph, and even a hybrid variant for the eco-conscious crowd. Ford's leaving no stone unturned in their quest to make the Ranchero appeal to everyone from gearheads to green thumbs. And that's not all. The Ranchero is set to be a rolling showcase of Ford's latest and greatest tech toys. We're talking LED lighting, state-of-the-art safety systems, and cutting-edge infotainment options that'll put your smartphone to shame. Because let's be real, what's the point of reviving an icon if you don't give it a proper 21st century upgrade? Now, I know what you're thinking, but wait, isn't the Ranchero supposed to be a budget-friendly ride for the everyman? Fear not, my frugal friends, because Ford's got that covered too. While they're keeping those all-important pricing details under lock and key for now, the word on the street is that the Ranchero is aiming for that sweet $10,000 price point. That's right. 10 grand for a slice of automotive history with all the bells and whistles of tomorrow. It's like Ford took a page out of their own Maverick playbook, honing in on that signature affordability factor while still packing in enough features to make your head spin. And let's not forget that Ranchero is stepping into a whole new automotive landscape, one where electric and self-driving cars are quickly becoming the norm. So, who's to say Ford won't surprise us all with an electrified version of their reborn icon? Can you imagine a zero-emissions Ranchero silently hauling your gear while you kick back and let the self-driving tech handle the boring bits? Now that's a future we can get behind. Of course, the Ranchero's comeback isn't happening in a vacuum. The competition is already heating up, with players like Chevy reviving classics like Montana and the Blazer to cash in on that sweet, sweet nostalgia money. But that's just par for the course in this retro-fueled renaissance we're living in. Let's be real, the automotive world has been hit with a full-blown retro wave, and everyone's scrambling to dig up their greatest hits and give them a modern makeover. From Volkswagen's reborn Beetle to Toyota's beefy new Land Cruiser, it's like the past has come crashing into the present, and we're all along for the ride. But here's the thing, the Ranchero isn't just a blast from the past, it's a glimpse into the future of affordable, versatile transportation. In today's world, where pickup trucks and SUVs are king, the Ranchero offers something truly unique, the perfect marriage of car-like comfort and truck-like utility, all wrapped up in a package that won't break the bank. And let's not forget, the original Ranchero was a trailblazer in its own right, offering a level of versatility that was unheard of back in the day. It was the ultimate daily driver who could handle the daily grind and weekend adventures with equal aplomb. The new Ranchero promises to carry on that tradition, appealing to everyone from small business owners to weekend warriors seeking a ride that can do it all. But of course, with any major comeback, there are bound to be challenges. For the Ranchero, one of the biggest hurdles could be standing out in a crowded market that's already saturated with pickup trucks, SUVs, and crossovers offering similar capabilities. Ford's going to have to pull out all the stops to make the Ranchero truly exceptional and unmistakable. Then there's the price factor. As pickup trucks and SUVs have become increasingly popular and increasingly expensive, Ford's going to have to strike a delicate balance between keeping the Ranchero affordable and packing it with enough features to justify its price tag. And let's not forget about the environmental implications. As consumers grow more eco-conscious, gas-guzzling trucks and SUVs are coming under closer scrutiny. The Ranchero will need to offer a range of fuel-efficient and electrified powertrain options to appeal to those seeking a greener ride. But if there's one thing we know about Ford, it's that they're no strangers to innovation. From the original Ranchero to the game-changing Mustang Mach-E, they've shown time and again that they're not afraid to take risks and shake things up. And that's exactly what they're doing with the Ranchero. They're not just giving us a nostalgic trip down memory lane, they're offering a glimpse into the future of affordable, versatile transportation. A future where you can have your cake and eat it too, the style and comfort of a sedan, the utility of a pickup truck, and all the cutting-edge tech your heart desires, all wrapped up in one unmistakable package. So, get ready to experience the ultimate car-truck hybrid, a ride that's been decades in the making, but one that's poised to take the world by storm. The Ranchero is coming, and if those $10,000 starting price rumors are true, it could redefine what we expect from affordable, versatile transportation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.